This is the inside part of the poultry. The main poultry, this is the inside part. This is the ozone that will remove from the go warehouse. The package here. This is the inside part. This few bed you're looking at is a menu. This other bed you're looking at is a sawdust, which it will not be used again. We take it from here. Other material are in the same poultry, transfer all here. So there is the inside part. The poultry, as you can see, this is the inside part of the poultry. As you can see, let me get out. Get a little bit long video. Okay. This is a full bar. This is S. Another full bar. This is S. As you see, the green net that was done today. And the work, see me set the green net from that S to the F. So there is a phone. There is a bike. There is a bike. There is a gateway. There is a gateway. A food bar. Yeah, not completed yet. There is a gateway. Close on it. Okay. There is it. There is a view of the yard. There is a view of the yard. And I'm going down to there is a view as you begin. There is a view.
Yeah, go inside it.
I'm going there. So there is a view. I am now going to where the doors are. Then from there I can come and then to see the place. So let me open that and see. So there is a place. I am now in the green net for the ducks. There is a backyard of the last poultry. I am now in the green net. Okay. As you're looking, there is a zinc poultry right in front of it. There is a fuba. Okay, they are not yet complete. Okay, let me get into the scene. Inside the same poultry. So as you see inside the same poultry, there is inside the same poultry. Okay, this will be a lago. There is inside the same poultry, as you see. As you see. Okay. I now in a small, it's in the room, the partition. Partition. Okay, let me go to the dogs real quickly because my video is too large. We have to just reduce them. So this is the duct. I think you can see the one sitting down. And the other one in there sitting down. There's a duct room. Okay, this is a duct chicken that's sitting down. So this is a room that you can sleep in. Okay, then let me just get out and go to the view of ceiling so you can see it. Okay, at the whole view. At the whole view, I should look in.
Behind the fence, all have been fresh only this summer.
Yeah. Okay, this is Stephen's place. Okay. Like whole entire thing, as you can see. Thank you.